Hey, I'm Michael Martin. Thank you for joining me for my March 2013 Lake Keowee video blog. Today is the 10th of March, and I apologize for getting to you so late. I've actually had 3 people email me that continually watch my videos all the time and said, hey Michael, are you going to do your video for March? And obviously, yes, I've been doing these videos, these monthly updates now for almost, I think, going on 5 years. So I was busy the first week of March. I wrote three contracts on properties, and I'm just now getting around to be able to post these numbers. Now, the numbers I'm giving you, even though it's March the 10th today, the numbers I'm providing you are from January 1st through March 1st. So they're up to date through March 1st. So let's go ahead and look at where we are on our waterfront properties here as we roll into the first 10 days of March or so, okay? Active waterfront lots, we have 419 waterfront lots for sale on the lake. We've sold 22 year to date from January 1st through March 1st. Let's look at where we were same time frame last year in 2012. We had 371 active waterfront lots, so our inventory's up a little bit over last year, and we had only sold 8 waterfront lots from January 1st through March 1st, 2012. We've already sold 22 this year. So that's a real good sign. Now, keep in mind that we sold 110 lots in 2012, which was fantastic because our lot have increased in overall sales from about 43 back in 09 after obviously the 08 fiasco that we had with our economy, and then we went into the 80s. I think 81 lots in 2010, 84, 85 in 2011, and then last year we did, like I said, 110. So we're on pace to do more sales on our waterfront lots than we did last year in 2012. So that's great. Of course, it's obviously we're early in the year, but we'll watch those numbers and see how we go through every month, okay? Average list price on those 22 that have sold this year was right around $300,000. Average sale price was about $253,000. Average days on the market for those 22 properties that sold was 245 days. So our lot sales have done very well so far in 2013, okay? Let's look at our waterfront homes. We've got 195 single-family waterfront homes for sale on the lake. We had 212 this time last year in 2012. We have sold 12 so far year to date. Last year we had sold 15. So we're pretty close to mirroring those numbers of where we were last year. Average list price is right around $900,000 for those 12 homes that have sold so far year to date. Average sale price is about $760,000. Average days on the market for those 12 homes was a little over 200 days. Now I want to talk to you about something. I think it's going to be our home sales were great last year too. You can go back and watch my January video blog and see how we did on our home sales, which was some of the highest that we've seen since about 2006, and just the total quantity of homes sold. You know, as we move into this year, I think we have to look at a couple of different things. Number one is material cost. Cost for building a house has gone up about 20%, according to the local builders are telling me, since about the first of the year. So material costs have really started to head up. I think what's going to happen in 2013 is you're going to see a bigger demand for homes because you can basically go out there and buy a home existing for cheaper than what it's going to cost you to buy a lot and build. We'll watch that as we go through the year, so I'll be curious to kind of see if what I'm telling you now in March will hold true through the year as we go into next year. So I'll make myself a note as we roll into the fall and to the end of the year to kind of go back and talk about that and see if what I said was maybe correct through the 2013 selling season, okay? So I think there's going to be a big demand for existing homes for sale. I mean, people wanting to buy existing homes this year because building costs for lots, building costs to build homes has gone up about 20% on material cost, okay? Let's look at interior lots. We've got 419 interior lots for sale on the lake. We've sold 6 year to date. We had 346 on the market last year, and we had sold 4. Average sale price is about $41,000. Average list price was about $52,000. Average days on the market's a little over 400, about 429 days. So past 4 or 5 years, nothing has changed basically. on the information I've been telling you on the interior lots. Okay, we've always had a big inventory for interior lots and not many sales, and I don't see that changing any time in the near future. Interior homes, 183 active. We've sold 12 year to date so far. Last year we had 166 on the market and we'd sold 13. Average sale price is about $345,000. Average list price is about $374,000 and 221 days on the market. Okay, so that's kind of a recap of where we are January 1st through March 1st, 2013. So like I said, lot sales are doing extremely well. Home sales are doing well. I think there's going to be a big demand for existing homes that will be selling here on the lake this year simply because of the material costs that I just mentioned. So I look forward to seeing you all in April. As always, I live at the lake full time, and by the way, this house right here behind me on the north end, I'm filming in my side yard today. This home is back here behind me. We're going to be putting it, actually it's on the market right now. Have not been able to shoot the video of it yet. It's on the north end of the lake here in Keowee Bay where I am, house right beside my house. 575, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,300 square feet, flat lot, new covered dock in place that you can see, and I'll have a video for that here in about the next week or so to be able to put online. So like I said, live here full time. I've been selling Lake Keowee exclusively for 12 years. This is all I do. If it doesn't touch the lake or have access to the lake company does not sell it. This is all I do is Lake Keowee. So obviously it's always advantageous if you're a buyer in the market and you're wanting to learn more about Lake Keowee. Make sure that you're working with someone who knows the lake. Feel free to pick up the phone and call me. Be more than happy to share any information that you might need about the lake. I have sales statistics going all the way back for over 10 years, so I can go through and I can educate you on where you are in the buying process, if it's a good time to be buying, and obviously right now it is, because our inventory, just like lots, is up, and our average sale price in our lots back in the height of the market in 08, beginning of 08 was a little over 400,000, and you see right now it's about 250,000. So it's a great time to be buying property here on the lake. It's got some good deals out there. So as always, feel free to pick up the phone and call me or email me. I'd be more than happy to get back to you and help you make an educated decision on what you ought to be doing here at Lake Keowee. And obviously, if you're a seller, same situation. Need to educate you on where you need to be on pricing, the things I can do for you to help you sell your property in 2013. Again, thanks for joining me. I'm Michael Martin, owner and broker in charge of the Lake Company, and I hope to see you or talk to you soon.